Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Gaomon S620. Gaomon was kind enough to send me this tablet for free, but I'm going to give you an honest review. First off, it came in a really pretty box. I'm not sure how important that is, but it was cute. You get a card with driver info and a card with customer service contacts. You get a micro USB wire that has a nice L shape so you don't have to bend it out of the way. Next, you get the pen. I was really happy about this pen because it doesn't need a battery and it doesn't need to be charged. A lot of times lower priced tablets have this problem where you either have to charge it overnight or you need a AAA battery for the pen to work, but this is a standalone pen, kind of like a Wacom pen, so that's a plus. You get a pen sleeve. I'm not sure the purpose of that. You get 6 nibs and a nib remover, a lifetime supply. At least for me. How often do you guys change your nibs? Because I think I've done it like 3 times in the million years that I've been drawing, but I draw softly, so I really don't need to change it that much. It also came with 2 different OTG adapters, so you can use the tablet with your Android phone. It doesn't work with an iPhone, and unfortunately it doesn't work with my Android phone either because my Android phone is not OTG compatible. OTG means on the go, and I didn't know what that meant, so I had to look it up. But this tablet is compatible with both Mac and Windows and has 4 programmable buttons. It has a 6.5 by 4 inch working area and it's a pretty good size. Here's me comparing it to the size of my teeny tiny Huon H420 that everyone makes fun of me for, but I love. There's a little booklet with directions, and lastly one of those fancy gloves. I don't use it. Installing it was really easy. I deleted all the previous drivers from all my other tablets. I closed out all my drawing programs, went to Gaomon's website, downloaded the S620 driver, and the pen pressure worked as soon as I plugged it in, so that was great. The tablet has 8,192 levels of pressure, which I guess I'm not used to because when I started drawing, it was so pressure sensitive that everything I drew looked like really skinny lines, and in order to get the line weight that I'm used to drawing with, I had to press really hard, and it was frustrating at first. But then I realized I'm an idiot and I can just adjust the pressure to match my other tablet, which I did after messing around with it for a while, and then it worked perfectly. If you're wondering why I always have that sketch of Ollie and Trish open in the background, like right there at the bottom, it's because I work on commissions all the time, so I spend a lot of time drawing real life people, and I feel like slowly over time it starts to like warp and mess with my style of art, and sometimes like my drawings come out more realistic than I would like, so I like keep open the reference to remind myself how I want my art to look like, if that makes sense. But after getting a couple of sketches done with this, I got used to the tablet and I really like it. So I think it would be a great tablet if you're just starting out. It cost around $40 on Amazon with free shipping, and I looked on one of their coupons and they had it on AliExpress for $26. I'm not sure how much the shipping is there, but that's a deal. A lot of tablets cost a lot more than 26 bucks, and this is a good starter tablet for someone who's just starting out. Installation was easy, drawing on it was easy. I was frustrated at first with the pressure sensitivity, but I think that's just because I don't draw really hard. I draw with a really soft hand, so that was easily fixed. Not the fault of the tablet, that's just on my dumb ass. What else? What else to say? It's a really cute, fun little tablet. I wish it worked with my phone, but I think because I have one of those burner phones, like one of those $30 burner phones, that's why it didn't work with mine. But yeah, I really liked the tablet, and I really liked working with Gaomon again. Hopefully I can review more tablets for them in the future because can't beat it for the price. Alright, bye.